Hello, Education 555, and welcome to the last week of class. I hope that you've enjoyed the course and that you have been able to apply your personal position, mission, and creed to today's issues in education, that you've learned more about those issues and also had a better awareness of what you think about them. And as we head into the final course or final module of the course, let's check it out. Content. We've got two modules, as I've shared with you, Module 7 and 8. Let's check out Module 7 first. Essential questions: what can I learn from current educational events? What is important about my chosen issue trend, and how can I communicate the issue trend? The required reading is research for your broad issue trend TED Talk and also current event reading. One discussion in this module. Do some research online related to current trends and issues in education. Find a current event online article, something that has happened within the last month. Post a link to the article that you found and then answer these questions. So make sure it's posted in the last month, something to do with an educational issue or trend, and answering these questions. This is the most important. How does it apply to your mission, vision, and creed? All right, include at least one reference in APA. You do not need a citation. Your initial response is due Wednesday. Your other responses are due Sunday at midnight. Final project. Submit your final project here. Both you and your partner will submit the same items. Make sure you have both names on the items. Review the attached document to find out more details about the project. So here is where you submit your actual final project. So you will do a text submission. You'll write the submission where you link to your VoiceThread, and then you also attach your handout to that. So write a submission and do a VoiceThread link right here. So you're linking to your VoiceThread, and then attach files where you browse your computer and you attach your handout. Questions, anyone, is the same as every module. All right, that's Module 7. Let's check out number 8, which has some double up things. This week's essential question: what can we learn from each other? The required reading is the broad school issue trend TED Talk handouts from your classmates and watching those talks. Please make sure that you check out the course evaluation. Your feedback is important to me. It really helps me to keep improving the course and helps me to learn as well. So make sure that you take a few minutes to complete that course evaluation. 8.1's discussion. Post a link to the TED Talk, and in the same post, upload your handout. After posting a link and uploading your handout, watch the TED Talks and read the handouts of all the other groups, and then post your response. Your response should be reflective and substantive. Initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight, responding to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. So you're posting your TED Talk link and the handout, and then you're watching everybody else's and also responding to this in your response. The last week of our course together, it's hard to believe it, and like I said earlier, I hope you've been able to dig into current trends and issues. Now it's time to do some reflection. Please respond to these prompts. You do not need to reply to the comments of other learners, but you can. All right, you do not need to include a citation. Make sure you do include at least one reference in APA format, and these are the reflection questions as you follow up. Your response to the prompts is due by Sunday at midnight. No replies necessary. There it is. That's Modules 7 and 8 as we wrap up the course together. Again, thank you for your hard work. I am really looking forward to seeing your final projects and the TED Talks and the handouts that you've been working on. As always, if you need anything, please don't forget, I'm just an email away and happy to help. I will see you soon. Talk to you later.